Alright, so what's going on, guys? It is me, Pat Albert from Beyond, and welcome to the stream. So today, we're going to be working on the economy of this particular game. And yeah, on the list for the economy, we have make the auction house viable. Make it to where if you click text, you can see items. You add rare items to bosses. We want to add it to where the items that you get, like on the drops, will be determined by how much damage you do. A loading screen, which I kind of don't feel like doing today. Uh, an item viewer. I don't feel like doing any of this honestly today, but I definitely want to add that, like get that done. Um, and come up with some thoughts on how to make farming more fun and you know something to do in the game. So starting off, let's test out the auction house, see if it works. We're hosting, so we can have people test it out. But what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna like buy an item, put it in the auction house for like really cheap. Get someone to buy it.
could throw our stuff in the car and just leave. Hit the highway and just keep driving. Find the sails that we've been hiding. Hit the highway and just keep driving. Hit the highway, find the sails. Hit the highway, find the sails. Hit the highway and just keep driving.
Get 'em. Bring it.
Hit the highway and just keep driving. Find the sails that we've been hiding. Hit the highway and just keep driving. Find the sails. Find the sails. Hit the highway and just keep driving. Hit the highway and just keep driving.
Get 'em. Bring it.
Yeah, I'm gonna close this up for a second. That helps. Yeah, so right now I'm just working on the auction house that's in the game. It needs a lot of love right now. But oh god, this project technically I've been working on it since 2012, but I kind of stopped working on it. So I worked on it in 2012 and like put 2 months of work into it, and I brought it back like a year and a half ago, and it got shut down for like copyright issues, and it's just been on and off. Like this is like my baby project. I love it, but it's such a huge project to where like I have to keep putting it on the back burner. And so right now I have these other projects that I'm working on that I put like a lot of work into, and now I'm having people fix up the graphics on it. And so I'm kind of waiting on that. And so I decided to like work on this game a little bit while I wait for these graphics to get done. I've been working on this project for quite a while. It's pretty big. It's DBZ MMO basically. Oh, okay, yeah, I need to start using this Microsoft Edge. Yeah, Microsoft Edge doesn't show up on my volume controls. Didn't get no hair with. Yeah, so I've been working on this project for like I started in 2012, and I kind of recently, like I guess like a year ago, I started to bring it back and work on it like a lot harder. But it's kind of like one of those projects that I put on the back burner because it's like a really big project, and I don't see the end of it happening anytime soon. So I kind of have to just keep it on the back burner while I finish other projects. So hopefully this browser will show up in my volume controls. And no, there's no Google Chrome. Wait, this is Google Chrome, right? Yeah, there's no Google Chrome on volume controls. Oh, there it is. Okay, cool. Alright, so hopefully that's better. Alright, so we're testing the auction house because I'm working on the game's economy right now. Because right now the economy is all out of whack. If people have too much money or too little money, and yeah, I kind of want to balance that out. Like, I want farming to you farming creatures to be like fun, and like that's my main goal is to like make farming fun and have like rare drops and things like that. So we're gonna go to Alright, so there's already an item right here that I did last at the reboot. So it saves items that you put. So that's cool that's working. I'm gonna have to create a log onto another account to test it out. Can't buy items that you put up there. But yeah, if you have any questions or want to see anything, let me know, and I'll show you the game. There's a lot in this game. It's big traveling, there's planets, there's like 13 or more classes, there's transformation, god forms, what sucks is that I don't have admin on this account. But you can hear me good now, right? Like the music's pretty good. So what I'm gonna do is we're just gonna play the game for a little moment because I don't have admin on this account. I need to get 100 gold, which I already have 100 gold. I just need to learn how to fly, and then I can go buy that item that I put on auction, or try to buy it. Oh my god, I leveled up so fast. That was weird. Okay, so now I'm gonna go and fly up here to one of these cities and try to buy this auction item that I put up. This is weird. I thought I had some lag. Alright. Alright, so I'm gonna click buy out. I'm gonna make sure that I'm not getting any runtime errors. Oh my god. Music is OP. You see how low I have this volume, dude? That is ridiculous. I have it like... I can't even hear it now. If you can't hear me now, I don't know what's wrong. Maybe it's my computer. I don't know, but that's messed up. Click buy out. I'm not sure if I actually bought that. That was... Oh, it said you bought a trunk suit. So it bought. At least it seems like it bought. And it entered my freaking inventory. So you can buy items through the auction house, but it's not working, and it's still in the auction house. So a few things we need to work on. So one, we need to remove the item from the auction. Let me double check my mic. Microphone. All right, you should be able to hear me now. That my mic turns low for whatever reason. All right. So you can buy items. You can buy items that people put on the auction. There is a little bug, so it does need some work. But I'm gonna get back to it in a minute because it doesn't look that good. It's not really that eye pleasing, and I don't like how the system works. So we're gonna kind of revamp it a little bit. So there should be like a little thing for the auction house, but I don't see it. I think it's actually in the default. Yeah, I think that's it right here. Dang. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just like take this off from here. Maybe. I'm trying to think if that's a good idea. I'm gonna take it off. We're gonna create a completely different window for the auction, which I don't want to do, but it's probably the best thing for me to do. We copy and paste that little thing right here. This is a grid that's going to display all the auction items. And you can actually, the server's down right now, but it's playable. Like you can play it, like it's usually up 24/7. So what we're gonna do first is we're going to give it a title. Like it doesn't even say auction on here. Like people are gonna come to the screen and be like, what the heck is this screen? All right. So we need to let them know that it says it's an auction house. So So we're just gonna type in auction house, and then we're gonna say black and white, just something basic. I plan on like redesigning the layout for everything sometime when I like decide on how I want it to look and stuff. But as of right now, I just want to do everything just basic, and we want it to be bold and probably a little bit bigger. Don't really know a good size. Sure, that's good enough. All right, so it now says auction house. What an accomplishment, right? But I want it to look prettier. I'm like, that's my new thing, is that I'm not a graphic designer, but I'm trying to produce like higher quality games, So I want it to look decent. So one is that there was a bunch of lines like going through. I'm gonna get rid of those lines that like show the grid. So no line's gonna be shown. Oh, Giru getting guap. uh, hey, that's not bad. But I'm just leave it at auction house just because it's like people will know what the auction house is. At least I hope they do. And oh yeah, I want to add a button to where like you click buy and stuff like that. So we're gonna add a button right here, right? And where do we want to put this button? We can put it like right here. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have it like right here. And it's just gonna say it's not labeled, it's supposed to be a button. It's gonna be called auction, and the verb is called auction. So you're gonna click this button, and then you can like pick what item you want to put on auction. That's what that's gonna do. Oh, the text is black. That didn't work, did it? All right, there it is. There is a little bit in continuity with the gray colors I'm using. At least it seems like it. I might need to make it bold. All right. I don't like I don't like where this button is at. Like this is just designing aspect. I don't know exactly where I should put it. Um, but let me think about how I want this thing to be designed, because I could also add like a buyout and then a bid button. But if I do that, then I'll have to add it to where you select items that you're looking at, and then oh my god, I'm about to go all out, dude. I don't like working so hard, man. I like taking easy routes, but sometimes it's not the best way to take things easy. So what I'm gonna do is I am gonna make it to where you can select items and then like view them in the same screen. So we're gonna have this like off to to left, right? And I don't know where I'm gonna put this yet, but I'm just have it right there. And then we're gonna have another one, like another thing that like shows you the stats uh of like the item that you're looking at. Damn, Nightbot don't like you, does he? I need to edit that Nightbot because I don't mind people posting links. Like I'm not anal about that stuff. Nightbot is though, man. He don't like links. All right, so this is gonna be the item viewer. I don't even know what I'm gonna put titled right here because item viewer sounds so noob. noob developer, right? But I'm just gonna do item viewer or item viewing. I don't know. Item viewer is fine with me. Whatever. We want to bold. Boosh, and then we want like an outline. All right. And so now, and here is going to be like the stats of the item. And we're going to have to do that with code, but it'll be like, oh yeah, this item will give you, 3 points, 3 stats when training, give you this amount of experience, give you this amount of crit, all that. So that's what's going to be right there. Again, this is not that fancy yet. I do want it to look slightly fancy. So some of my little tricks is basically just doing a bunch of layers. It's kind of a new thing that I picked up is doing layers of like, things underneath stuff makes it look a lot better. So that's what we're going to do here. Boom, it already looked better. You see that? And then we're going to give this an outline as well. Yeah, man, Nightbot, man. He don't like people who in the daytime. Like he's a vampire, so he don't like people who be living life, man. Can't even share links, man. That's some bullshit. All right, but yeah, that already looks better, doesn't it? This right here needs an outline though. It's a little bit better. Now this auction thing can go like probably right here, right? Something like that. But I'm trying to think. Because, alright, say, I'm trying to think on how this will work. Because I'm like literally thinking as it goes, because I don't really know how it's going to go on mine. But what I'm thinking is that, like, you can click auction, right? I'll put it right here. You click auction. If you click it, then all your items, like, in your inventory will show up right here. No, that's, hold on. Freaking it. I don't know yet. We need to figure out the layout better before I come up with the idea for this. So, we need to add more buttons. I just know people better use this freaking system if I'm going to put all this work into making the auction house. Like, you guys better freaking use it, or else we're going to have a mad owner, a mad game developer. So this one's gonna be called Buyout. But I mean, people better use it because I'm gonna make it to where like you're gonna be grinding, you're gonna be picking up like rare items, and I'm gonna make it to where like you can't sell them. You can't sell them as much as you can right now, and so it'd probably be better like, if you really like want like good money. And it's like a rare item and people will buy it, you put it on auction and people will buy it and you'll make more money. So yeah, there's our buyout button. I'm just gonna have it be associated with the verb called buyout. Then we're gonna have one called bid as well. I just copied and pasted it. Gotta bring it up a couple layers. One called bid. Now, yeah, so this works. So all the auction items that are on auction are gonna be right here. You'll click it, right, and then you'll see the stats of it. You'll click bid, right, or buyout, and then the question is, where is the buyout is going to be displayed? So we need to have like a label to like show the numbers of like the buyouts and stuff. I'm just gonna put it right there. I don't know exactly what I'm gonna do yet. I don't know anything. I'm just going with the flow, guys. That's usually how I roll. Alright, so this is like where it's gonna like show them buyout money, like how much it costs. I'm gonna create another label. It's gonna be called buyout. Well, yeah, I have to log on my Twitch and kind of just. I mean, if you really want to post a link or something, let me know and I'll try to do it. But if I don't have to, I'm not gonna do it right now. I think I just lost a link that I placed. Oh, there it is. God, yeah. All right. But yeah, I'm hoping like, you know, boosting the economy of the game will like make it that much better. Cause like good games have like really good economies. And like it kind of like makes items a good economy gives items like greater value. And so I'm hoping that this will like really like make the game a lot better. Alright, so we have this like buyout and bid. Oh wait, now we need to do the bid. I just copied and paste. Bring it up layer. And now we're gonna say bid. Can y'all hear the music, by the way? Actually, I just thought of a good idea. Yeah, I plan on having like an item update to where like I'm gonna give items like passes. But yeah, I just got a good idea. Basically, instead of having it be a label, we're just gonna add the buttons right there. So it's like it's right there. It's like, you know, like you push this button, you're buying. If you push this button, you're bidding. And then is this a grid? No, it's a label. Okay, cool. So far that's not too bad. I think it works out. You click your item, it shows up here, it shows the stats. You buy, you bid. It tells you what the current bid is. You click it and then you put in your bid. Yeah, and this would be like the buyout amount. And then this is the auction button. So this is the button we need to work on. So right now, if you click auction, you're going to get a list of items that are in your inventory, and then you can click it or whatever. But I don't really like that because the output options are just so like last millennium, like they're kind of out of date, in my opinion. So I would prefer if like I can like see the items that I want to auction out. That's what I prefer. So I'm gonna just take a moment to think about how I would do that if I'm going to do it. I guess what we could do is like, this would be weird. It might be kind of weird, but you could like click. You can click the auction button, right? And then it will like shift this whole box and like this right here to like inventory, right? And then it'll show your inventory, and then you can like click on your items and then like choose to auction it. Yeah, you can click on your items. It will go to the item viewer, and then I guess we can add another button called auction. I'm not sure. I'm just trying to like create something doable. But that actually would be pretty decent. So we can like create one called inventory. I think I'm gonna do that. Like right here. I don't know exactly where I should put it, honestly, but I'm just gonna put it right there. So keep that right there. So like this kind of would be like one of the starting screens. Your items right here. You click them, they show up right here. You click them here, or no, yeah, they show up here. You can buy out or bid, see their stats. And you click inventory. This right here will switch to saying inventory. You see your inventory right here. You click it. Then it'll go to the item viewer, so you can see the stats, and then you'll say auction. Something like that. So where should this auction button be? I guess it should be over here. Wait, this is kind of a lot of thought just for a freaking auction, right? Like, seriously? What is going on? It's not doesn't want to show up. There it is. I'm just trying to figure out where I want to put this button. I think down here it probably wouldn't be too bad because it's next to these other buttons. Yeah, I think down there is not too bad. Yeah. When you click inventory, this button is gonna change to being like auction house. That's exactly what's gonna happen. But it's gonna change to being auction house. That's the plan. But yeah, this looks pretty neat. This is basic, but I think it works. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna decorate it a little bit better now. As good as we non-artist people can. So first I'm gonna make this an outline so I can like see what I'm doing. Yeah, it's looking pretty dope. So far, it's looking not too bad. But I want it to like look as good as it can for like what I'm doing. So I'm like really picky. Like let me show you what I did with Overcome. I thought this was really freaking cool. I'm gonna show you this really fast. I was like, oh my god. Like I was so happy when I did this, bro. And it took me like a while to like just play around with it. Here it is. And I don't remember which screen it was, but it's not that. It's definitely not that. This is it, bro. Bro, when I came up with this, I was like, dude, this is actually pretty dope. What I thought was really cool was like this part, like how there's like a different shade from right here to right here, and then you have like different shades right here. But yeah, I thought this layout was cool. I was like, damn, that's pretty legit for like, you know, like a simple layout. And then I even like have it outline at the buttons to where it kind of seems like the buttons are glowing a little bit. Like, this is actually fucking legit as hell. But yeah, I want to get this auction screen to be kind of as legit as that. We could try to copy it. Let's try to copy it. Let's try to copy it. Let's freaking copy my own fucking stuff, man. Like why not? Oh, okay. All right, we're gonna try to copy this. I like it so much. That's what we're gonna do. So that's like that. No, we're gonna like basically copy it again. Now we gotta give it like a softer texture. Yeah, for sure. Like, yeah, if it gets like really like popular, which would be dope, I would totally add like a searching thing. Like, that's not a problem. Yeah, so this is not gonna work the same way as first. This needs to be a little higher. So yeah, we'll keep that like that. And then yeah, that button's not gonna work either. Oh, and these things need to be higher. And then there's actually like another outline under the grid, which I think we should do. So this is gonna be slightly darker, but not like pure black. I think that's a little bit too light. It's not looking that good. So this is too light. It's hard copying your own self, it seems. And then the inside is too dark. That outline doesn't look that good. I don't know what to do with it. I don't want to delete it, but I might have to. Well, it's not too bad. Unfortunately, it's not nearly as clean as this. This is just like freaking great looking. Yeah, kind of sucks that I'm not able to make it as good looking. But I mean, I'm just gonna, keep it as it is and continue on. So it's basic, but it works. So we have the layout done. Is there a name on it? Yeah, it works. Unfortunately, it's not as good. Like, it's kind of hard for me to figure out why it's not as good. It's just a different layout, but it's good enough. So, we still have to do a lot of things, though, to make this work. So, let's just see how it looks in game. That's like what we need to do. Yeah, most of it's done. It's just I'm gonna have to add more codes to it, and it's gonna kind of suck. This is called auction house, and this is called grid. Yeah, it's gonna require a lot of testing. It might take me like all night, dude. Unfortunately. I'm gonna go back to what auction display. Auction house, and then all this is auction house dot auction grid. I believe that's it. Hopefully it is. So we're going to compile yeah, because I have to make a variable. Oh, there's already a variable I'm gonna use, but I have to like use it more. Like when you click the item, it's gonna show up in the viewer and stuff like that. Like, it's still gonna be quite a bit of things to add and test and stuff. And there's bugs I need to look at because the items will save. Like the items you have on auction will save. And then when it reboots, the items will still be there. And then like say someone buys your item, I need to have it to where like, oh, you log in and you notice when your items were bought, well, it needs to like give you the amount that it was sold for and stuff. So I mean, it's actually not that easy, unfortunately. So right now we're just gonna test to see if it shows up, like if it pops up, which it should, and then we're gonna test to see if like an item shows up. Oh god. Well, it showed up as soon as we logged in, so we need to fix that real fast. Alright, so bump it to Guru, it pops up. Awesome. That works. Now the problem here is that the grid doesn't have an outline. And it doesn't have an outline here, so I think I might have accidentally deleted it. Oh god, that's like the actual game. See, but it's here, so that's kind of a bug. That's very weird, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just bring it out. And now I'm going to try to auction like a random item and see if it shows up. Oh god. The heck? Oh, I clicked him on accident, I see. Yeah, it didn't show up. So, we're gonna have to recompile it. Yeah, it's just bugs, man. Just bugs. Glitches. But yeah, honestly, this update is not gonna be that particularly fun. The funnest part, in my opinion, would be adding the hypertext. To where like when you auction items, it'll show that like, you know, the item like in chat, and you can click the item and you can like view it and stuff. That's like the most I look forward to this entire little list. Is hypertext items. You can view people items and you can post, yeah man, I just got this item. And people will be like, whoa, look at those stats, dude. Let me get one of those, dude. Alright, let's see if it shows up. Hell no. It said fuck no. So my best bet is that I have a code somewhere in this whole shebang bang that is removing it and not putting it back or whatever. And I believe it's called auction grid. And we just have to like remove it. What, auction grid? Nope. Let's go back to auction display. Oh, it's probably because the match case was on. I'm gonna try this grid again. See, there it is. Oh yeah, we're gonna have a lot of things that we have to mess with. I'm not messing with any of that right now, but see, this is the part that turns it off. Alright, I think we're good now. Unfortunately, the main server is down. But I have to send a email to someone to try to get the server back up. Wait, what? Oh, there it is. Everybody has a Discord, man. Come on. 2016, bro. But yeah, give me 1 second. I'm gonna go in my email. We have 2 Discords, but I'll send you the one that where all the cool people are at. Alright, so now we just need to reboot. Oh god. Oh, wait, you're Revler? I didn't know you're Revler, dude. Or AKA Moore? Yeah, I had no idea, dude. I thought you were just someone who likes stalking me, man. That's what I thought you were, bro. I hope you know I'm just kidding. But yeah, I knew you were familiar, like your name was familiar, Echo Freak, but I didn't know, like, you know, you were like actively playing the game. I thought you were just like an old fan. It's still disappearing. I have no idea why. Yeah. We got company. We got Mr. Pyro Kit in the house. What's going on, bro? Welcome to the stream. Right now we're just talking about. Well, right now I'm working on economy features in the game, and currently we're working on the auction house. And I just kind of designed an okay layout for it, and now we're just like going through the testing of it. It's a lot of fun, man. But yeah, man, I really like the mini map. The mini map's cool, man. Like, what game on Beyond do you know that has like a mini map that fucking badass, bro? Please let me know. It's so freaking detailed, like to the very pixel. Straight up. Let me give myself Super Saiyan 5. Oh, I can't because I'm not an admin on this account. Alright, I think it's about done. Almost. Alright. Oh my god. It's still not there, dude. What the heck is going on? Doesn't make any sense. That doesn't make any sense, bro. So here's the grid. It's called auction grid. Oh, it's not visible. Alright. Well, that was simple. Yeah, it wasn't visible. Which is pretty funny. Who would have thought, dude? Can you hear the music? What's going on, Pyro Kit, man? How you doing? Ooh, it's kind of pretty outside right now. There it is. It works. Now, oh, we're gonna auction some cherries. Oh my god, they showed up. Oh my god, the cherries showed up. Okay. That is interesting. Awesome, awesome. What type of game do you do? Game development? Or are you just like watching or trying to learn some stuff? But yeah, the cherry showed up. The auction button works. Now we need to make it to where when we click the cherry, it'll go to the item viewer. And it'll like say its name, its stats, and then its buyout and bid. That's probably the next step. Yeah, man, game development's fun. It's a lot of fun. But yeah, and I wouldn't limit yourself by your age, dude. I started making games when I was 13. You know, I just had the ambition. So this is what I'm thinking right now is like this bid and buyout. I think it's cool that it's there, like you can see it firsthand. But I think it takes up too much space. Cause like if you have like a bunch of items, it just kind of get kind of messy. So I'm thinking like it can just have like 40/40, like near it, or I'm gonna just get rid of it. And it's like, oh, you want a cherry? You click it, and then I'll show the buyout and stuff right here. I don't know which one I should do. Like I do like how you can get like a preview of how much it costs beforehand before clicking it. I do like that. It's just the way it's set up right now. It takes too much space. Yeah, and well, okay. This stuff is a grid. Like literally this bid 40 and bid buyout is on a grid above and below it, if I remember correctly. Watch, let me see. It's called like display or something. But yeah, I don't want it to like take up an entire like space in the grid. I would prefer it to be with it, but I'm not sure if I can actually do that. No, that's not it. It's called. Hold on.